Welcome to the new video of welding MCQ series. Here is our first question. Which heat treatment process produces only outer surface of the job hardened and up to some depth? So our options: annealing, hardening, normalizing. All these are hardening or doing the heat treatment, the material fully. But in case hardening, it will be produce hardened surface up to some depth only. In case hardening will be producing or heat treatment is done up to some depth only. Which heat treatment of steel increase hardness but decrease strength and ductility? Which heat treatment process increase hardness, decrease strength and ductility? So simple option can directly go for the hardening option. Annealing and normalizing will be increasing the ductility and strength. Case hardening will be only through the outer surface only. What type of operation is generally used in GMAW, gas metal arc welding? Gas metal arc welding in general will be going for semi-automatic operation. In generally, for gas metal arc welding, will be going for semi-automatic operation. What is the range of electrode for MAG, metal actuated gas or CO2 welding? We will be using the electrode. It is from 0.8 to 1.6 mm. The electrode size is varying from 0.8 to 1.6 mm. Which type of electrode are used in, again, MAG, metal actuated gas or CO2 welding? Which type of electrode? For will be flex coated arc electrode. That is, the electrode will be coated with the flex. Bare electrode, simply a wire is using. Then flex coated electrode. Outer surface will be metal, inner surface will be flex. Gated bent tungsten electrode. So the correct option is for MAG and CO2 welding will be using the bare electrode. For MAG and CO2 welding will be using the bare electrode. How the filler wire is fed in the gas metal arc welding process? Manually, no feeding, automatically, semi-automatically. The metal wire feeding is done by automatic. Only. What combination of shielding gas in GMAW, gas metal arc welding process, produces good arc stability? For good arc stability, we cannot use 100% argon, 100% helium. We have to mix some percentage of carbon dioxide. So we have to go for 5% of carbon dioxide with the argon for good arc stability. For good arc stability, we will be mixing 5% carbon dioxide with the argon. What ampere range required for setting 1.2 mm filler wire for welding mild steel in MIG or MAG welding, not just metal actuated gas welding? The filler wire diameter is 1.2 mm, so the ampere range is 100 to 225 ampere. The ampere range is 100 to 225 ampere. We have to study a full chart for checking the filler wire diameter and the ampere range. What is the limitation of submerged arc welding? Well, most of us have seen the image for submerged arc welding. We have an electrode and it will be passing over a granules. So we can keep the granules only in the horizontal position. If it is kept in the vertical position, the granules will fall down. So it is limited to flat and vertical position. It is limited to flat and horizontal position. Only. Okay. Our last question: which is adjusted in electron beam welding? Electron beam welding will be using electron beam for producing the heating effect to eliminate the defect porosity. We have a defect called porosity in welding. We can eliminate the porosity in electron beam welding. How we will be eliminating the porosity? Changing the port size, deflection, weld penetration, focal position. So deflection is a process that is carried out in electron beam welding. By adjusting the deflection or by changing the deflection, we can remove the porosity defect in the electron beam welding. So that's all for today. We'll be back with another 10 questions in the next video.